Hey, it's Jack Black here, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I booked 73 sales calls in the month of May 2024. So that's from May 1st to May 31st. I'll show you the Calendly just for proof, and then we'll dive into how I actually did this without lifting a finger as well. So if you want like an automated call booking system that's consistent, that is predictable, and that it also is scalable, I'm going to show you like exactly how I do that right now. And this is super easy, like I said, I don't lift a finger anymore to book any calls. I just show up to all these qualified calls on my calendar, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead, let's dive right in. All right, what's up? We're in my computer now. Here's my Calendly. So this is from May 1st to May 31st, 2024. So you can see we have 73 events here. And these, I changed this so it's all just discovery chats. So that's sales calls, and you can scroll through here, see like these are real humans, contact info. I'm not gonna open up their contact info so they don't get spammed, but you can see this is real. So anyways, here's how I do this. Here's how I book all these calls without lifting a finger. It's completely automated for me now. Here's the first step you wanna do. So you wanna have I use what I call my hot DM system. Basically what that is, it's the exact DM system I use to convert strangers or followers into qualified book calls every single day. So it's a simple DM sequence. I've tested this since 2019, so I know exactly like what works really darn well. I've tested so much, and I've booked a record of 264 sales calls in 1 month for my fitness coaching business. So I know this works really darn well. So I'm gonna share with you kind of how it works. So basically what you have, the first step of this is a converting stimulus. The stimulus is your DM script. So what you wanna do to actually find this converting stimulus is you just wanna test things like crazy. Use a scientific method, and you're basically just rolling out the DM script of, hey, how do I get someone interested? How do I get someone to book call? And you're just going through a DM script, you're testing it, and you're keeping it consistent for at least 300 conversations. That's a sample size. That's a minimum sample size for significance. We're choosing this one script, we're sticking with it for 300 people, and then you're just tracking data. You're saying, okay, what is the appointment booking rate? Or what are the percentage of people that are actually booking call? All right, so the minimum we aim for here for reference is usually 2% if it's cold or 3% if it's a warm audience. That's a bare minimum. We have guys that obviously do a lot more, but that's bare minimum. You're just testing it, all right? If after 300 you don't hit that mark, you're gonna iterate, you're gonna make a change. All right, where's the point in the conversation where they're all falling off? Are people that are replying in the first place, are they interested? Or maybe they're falling off when we send them the calendar. Like where's the bottleneck? Once you find that, you iterate and you test again. And you do this process over and over again, using the scientific method, changing one big variable at a time, testing what happened. Did it improve or did it not improve? And you're making iterations from there. And that is the game. You simply do that over and over and over again until you find a winner, until you're booking consistently at least 2 or 3% appointment booking rate. And then you have a winning stimuli. Once you have that, once you have the converting script, here's where the fun happens. At that point, it's very easy to take the system, document your script, screen record a bunch of different conversations, replies, etc., and hand it over to a setter, or to a setter who you basically just say, hey, here's the exact script that works, it converts at this percentage point. Literally just copy and paste these messages and find these leads and send it out to them every single day. That's it. And so it's very easy to find someone to do that. They just carry out your winning script that works, that converts calls every single day. And that's it. Now you have an automated system to book calls every single day. Like that's the game. I'm gonna show you something even cooler here. So let me see this. So let me delete this data real quick. But this is my money printer calculator. This is how you hit record months. This is how you scale. This is how you make the game so easy and so simple. All right, this is the beauty of it. So here's what we do here. So number one, we put in our monthly revenue goal. So let's say you just want to hit, let's say, 50K a month. All right, so just 50K a month. Put that in. Then we insert our metrics of your client acquisition system here. So it is essential that you track metrics. Metrics are the key to business. So you can find predictability, so you can find consistency. Because basically you have this system that converts. You want to know the metric, like the percentage point of that it converts at. And that is how you get predictability, because you can reverse engineer numbers. You can find, okay, if I send this many messages, I'm going to book this many calls, I'm going to sign this many clients. It's all reverse engineered. It's all predictable. Or if you struggle with up and down months in business, you make 10K a month, then you make 4K a month, then you make 15, then you make 2. It's all over the place. This is a big reason why you probably don't have a system that you use and you track metrics, or you probably don't have that. It's a huge problem, and you will forever stay unpredictable until you have that. All right, so here's the deal. So we have this, we put that in, and we put in our metrics for client acquisition. So let's say average 30 cash. This is on average how much cash you're collecting per client on average in the first 30 days. So let's say your program is 5K. Let's say on average you're collecting 4K within 30 days. Close rate. All right, let's say you're closing 25%. Let's say your show rate's 80%. All right, you're just putting these metrics. It's starting to spit back some data here. So we know, okay, if we want to hit this, we need to sign 12 and a half clients. We know we need to book 63 calls a month. And we put in our appointment booking rate. This is the percentage of people that actually book a call out of the total messages sent. So let's say minimum we aim for here is 2% if it's cold or 3% if it's warm. And so let's say you're at 2.5%, pretty reasonable. And that's what we get now. Once you put in your metric, it just spits out inputs. So inputs are the thing that you're in 100% control of. Like you control it. All you have to do right here to hit 50K a month is you send 83 messages a day. That's it. That's the game. And so if these are correct, if these metrics are correct right here, literally all you do is send 83 messages and boom, you hit $50,000 per month. You make $50,000 a month. All you have to do is do this. That's the beauty of this. Once you have these systems, you have these conversion rates, you do simple math. You say, okay, I want to make this much money. Cool. Let me send this many messages. Let's say you hit this and you want to scale. Okay, let me hit $60,000 a month. Cool. All right, now I have to send 100 messages per day. Cool. It's simple. It's simple math. Now, obviously, as you're scaling, you're going to run into bottlenecks. Like, for example, let's say you can't handle 15 clients a month. Then, like fulfillment side of things, you have to figure out, okay, how can I make this system more scalable or require me less so I can handle more clients? All right, and that's all you focus on. So you keep on doing this, but while you're building up and you're just accepting the clients you can handle, you're fixing the fulfillment problem. You're fixing the bottleneck that's stopping you from scaling. That is the game. You just repeat this to infinity over and over and over again until you hit whatever number you want, and you're happy. You don't want to scale anymore. Which, I don't know, for me, I always want to grow. So I'm always going to be scaling. I mean, that's what we're looking at here. Like that's a simple game. That's kind of how we do things. So basically, to reiterate, first thing is DM system. You test DM scripts until you find a winner. You're converting at the 2% ABR at least. And then you outsource that. You basically document what you're doing. You give that over to a setter. You hire someone and they carry it out for you. And then your calendar looks like this because you have a converting system. And all you do is you just have them send more messages. And then when you want to scale, you just grab our calculator here. You put your numbers in. Hey, I want to make this much money. Oh, I want to make 100K a month. Cool. Just put that number in. Boom, do this. Boom, 100K a month. That's the game. All right, so I hope this helps. I hope this gives some clarity here as far as how to build a completely automated call booking system, how simple it is. Obviously, it takes some work as far as testing goes. That's really the hard part, is the testing phase. Once you have that, though, all it is scaling inputs, simply doing more. Like, volume is the key to the game. Like, business at its core, when you really understand, it's not that complex. Or just like really just a converting system that you're just smashing more and more volume towards. That's it. So I hope this video helps. If you do want to work one-on-one together to scale your coaching business, if you want more qualified, consistently calls booked in your calendar every single month, I can help you install a system like this in your business and also help you steal some of the templates, converting scripts that I already know convert from day one. So if you just want to like plug that into your business, like right now, instead of like testing it, I can help you skip that learning phase. So click the link below if you want to chat. There might not be any slots available, so I apologize if there isn't, but you can check, find out if there is. But yeah, check out that link if you're interested in working on one-on-one to scale your business. If not, like the video, subscribe, all that cool stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.